Good morning, amigos. Welcome back to the channel. Another day to make another pound. I've just got a phone call from Rubes, our Superman. He's busy on site doing a stone enhancement, which is to bring the color back from natural stone. And just got news that it's looking good. They're progressing well. They've been there early from this morning at around 5 o'clock, I think. They needed to have an early start because the store opens at 10. So far it's looking good, and we've got another hour, and they better hurry up or we won't make the store opening.
Yeah.
I'm on my way to the factory. We've got a couple of things that we need to sort out. Got a few jobs for next week that's been planned already. Got a kitchen that we need to start cutting and preparing because we want to install it sometime next week. I would say mid next week, because with the delays we've had this week, we need to push things over a little bit for a couple of days forward. It's the nature of the game, and we've got some work around the workshop that we need to sort out. Even the spandex warriors create traffic. Hey, morning. How you doing, Polly? Tudo bem? How's it going?
Lekker, and you?
Tony, morning, my bro.
You well?
How was the birthday?
Good.
Good birthday.
Lipstick.
Oh, do I have lipstick? Ah, fantastic. Actually, missed that or not?
Lipstick.
All good?
All good in you, my man.
Okay, cool. These are the plywood substructures that we make. We actually get them tanked so we don't have any water leaks, because when we finish the product it looks like that. A marted downstand integrated sink out of stone, and it all starts out of a piece of wood, a bit of a substructure. We use a Schluter product for tanking, and the curry car. This is our center stone from Constantino. The white Makubas was going to be installed yesterday, but because it's natural stone, we have a little bit of the moisture that went into the stone. We got to wait for it to dry up, and once it dried up, we'll seal it and have it delivered to the client. So this will also happen next week. Beautiful stone. This mezzanine floor that we actually built now, which is our polishing area. Our office is ready. This is our polishing booth. There was nothing here. I've got to finish the ceiling, finish the stairs, and our little pit there, and do the walls. So that's what we're gonna do today. Keep ourselves busy. This is the stone enhancer that Superman and Manny went to site today to apply and seal the natural stone in the showroom. So hopefully all's gone to plan and they should be on their way back. I'm on the way to the Sainsbury's to pick up some meat. We're gonna have a little barbecue on a Saturday just to show the guys that we support them and that we appreciate what they do for us. So yeah, I'm just out here picking up some, let's see, what's out here to eat. Some good meat. This is the kitchen top that we're busy cutting for next week. Hopefully we should install it by end of next week. There we go, Tony there concentrating on his mitre cut. Abu Dhabi from Nilith. Top's ready. Busy being prepared for next week's installation. Hopefully by next week we should have this top installed. Wally!
That's so messy now.
Okay now. You know, close this one out for the boykies. Told him to come and chow.
Yeah.
Now this is how we do things on a Saturday. As Manny would say, you snooze, you lose.
You lose. Now you see, and now you don't see.
See, progress by progress. We're like the weekend warriors. We come in, we get shit done.
For sure.
Today was a very good, productive day. We managed to cut the stones, have them ready for manufacturing on Monday. We'll have our team over to build them up and do the edge polishing and the mitre down stands so that they're ready for installation next week. We managed to, myself and Paul, we quickly finished the ceiling in our polishing area. That was a little challenging, but we had fun doing it. So that's done, one less thing to worry. And we had a good day, it was good, very good. So on that note, catch you on the next one. If you've pressed the like button, please do. If you haven't subscribed, try that one out. And have a great one. See you. Thank you.